nakatawag na tayo sa car ng maayos. I love it. Wait lang. Panginit. Pagod ako. I know, nag-alabang na tayo kahapon. Pero kasi, I wasn't in the mood yesterday because it was so hot. Tapos, yung suot ko pa kahapon was like nude colored. So, halatang halata na pawis. Kaya sabi ko, uwi na lang ako. Ayoko na lumabas. But now, we are in a better state. Kaya, what the heck is he trying to do? I do have to buy a few things kasi number one, wala na akong ointment sa sugat ko. And I also have to buy this gel for scarring. Tapos, gusto ko din bumili ng bio oil because I've heard so many good things about it. I'm sorry, but it's yun yung controversial hot take ko na like, if you guys are gonna buy a car, please be responsible with it. Like, park it sa maayos na lugar because you're causing problems. Kita mo, dalawa kami ngayon na hirap makalabas kasi wala kang parking. Mas nakaka-ins na yung, alam mo may garage sila pero hindi nila ginagamit. But yeah, anyway. Don't fall. We're almost there. Just please don't fall. Guys! Bigla akong nilagnat. I don't know what's wrong with me. Like, kapag naisip kong lalagnatin nga ako. So, oh my god, I hate this feeling. I just need something to smell. Kailangan ko ng tiger balm or something. Kaso wala akong dala. Mas magaling lapit na tayo sa tao. Ang problem ko ngayon is parking. Because usually, kapag Sunday, gusto ng parking sa tao. Unless I park sa maaraw, yung open area. Daming car. Oh my god, this is not good, guys. Now, what are the chances na may makita ako na kilala ko dito? Look how hot it is outside. Pero, nasa shade naman tayo in a way. So, hindi siya ganun kainit. But, oh my gosh.
Ano yun? May bayad? Ano?
I just got home and let's look for something to watch na pampatulog. Oh, I know what to watch. Guys, I am the biggest fan of Coraline. Before, yun yung pampatulog ko talaga every single night. Toby! Kiss. I love you.
Ganda naman ng baby ko. Ay, babanggaan ako. Saan tayo binatag?
Hindi, no?
Kita sa mukha mo eh. Yan na tayo binatag.
Hindi na. Saan ka maghahanap?
Meron yan.
Wala. So, wala na maalat. Kasi feel ko, kasi nga hindi ako kumain ng lunch. So, feeling ko doon ako nilalagnat.
Kailangan mo na maalat. Okay. Ay.
Ganyan ba mag-alaga ng nilalagnat?
Patapos mong sabihin, ikaw talaga. love you. Gutom ka na. Sige, kakain muna tayo.
No.
We need to eat first.
Pagupit ka na
Eat
muna.
muna.
Pagupit ka muna, please.
Tapos?
Kasi nga pag di tayo umabot, edi sayang lang. Yun nga yung agenda eh. Look here! Oh wow, side view, side view. Side view, 360.
Kailangan mong pagupit. Ay, pagupit.
Buksan pa ba natin?
Tanggalin yung...
Wow, kakita. Huh? Baliktad.
Oo, dapat tintinday ko din mag-live ng ganyan sa ST. Kausap na ko sino dito. Kaso, taon na naman pag-i-extrovert.
Kaya kayo hindi nakaka-review.
Kaya
Kasi
nga eh.
nag-live ka. Hindi sagot sa tanong. Yep. At least, masaya ko naman. I wanna eat. Thank you.
So, happy concert.
Aminin mo na.
Ako nakalimot. Hindi ko yun nakalimot. Iyak ko yun. Iyak ko.
Hindi ko nakalimutan.
Sabi na.
Huh? What? Ano? Oh my God. Ginawa mo pa ako.
Baka niya mamaya meron siyang TikTok. Ay, pa-post. Hindi ko alam kung anong i-react ko sa sarili ko.
Please. Good please. Say please. Good please. Okay, little kwento time. So, before kasi, yung dalawa kong kuya, sa San Beda sila nagsastudy. I think that was like when they were in middle school. And ako, sa ibang school ako nag-aaral noong time na yun. And I was like, low-key jealous. Kasi yung school ko, hindi siya ganun kakilala. Tapos sabi ko kay mom, pagtapak nung grade 5, dun ako naging vocal. So, I was like, gusto ko lumipat ng beta. And they were like so hesitant. I don't know why. But then, for some reason, gumawa sila ng condition sa akin. Sabi nila, okay, like, we're gonna transfer you to beta if you're gonna fix all of your documents by yourself. Tapos, grabe, like, hindi ko in-expect na kaya ko palang gawin yun. Imagine being a 5th grader, like, you're like, what, 10 years old? 11 years old? Tapos, ikaw mag-aasikaso ng clearance, ikaw mag-aasikaso ng entrance exam, papers, and ikaw din mag-aasikaso. Ano pa ba yung mga inaasikaso? Yung good moral sa guidance. Kailangan mo siya request kasi nga lilipat ka ng school, so inasikaso ko yun. And basta lahat ng documents na kailangan sa paglipat ng school, ako yung gumawa by myself. Kahit sila mami nagulat na, kaya mo pala yun? So, long story short, napasubo sila na ilipat ako sa beda kasi nagawa ko lahat ng condition nila. Just gonna do my skincare and I'll get back to you guys.
Yeah.
Ayun po. Oh my gosh. Imagine guys.
Wait, parang imagine guys.
Yan yung ka-video po ko every night. What the heck? Okay. I should charge. Just finished editing my Get Ready With Me vlog. And it's ready for publishing this Friday. And I'm so excited guys. Look. Please guys, panoorin nyo kasi ang hirap mag-edit. And this is me being desperate. But yeah. And I'm also watching Bridgerton.
Well, that I think I should lie down for a nap.
You're feeling well.
Only